So I asked NotebookLM to create an 8-bit game-style explainer video inspired by classic 1980s video games. Here's what NotebookLM produced.
Welcome to the explainer. So today we're going to plug into the stock market. All right, let's just dive right in. You know how every epic adventure starts with that one button press, right? Well, let's hit start and get this quest into the world of finance going.
Now, let's look at 2 ways to create this video. After you log into NotebookLM, on the right side, look for Video Overview. Make sure you click on the pencil icon to open the prompt box. Okay, now the first way to create the video is to type in this high-level prompt describing what you want to create. For example, create an 8-bit pixel art video style inspired by classic 1980s video games that visually explains how the stock market works. Let's go ahead and generate the video and give NotebookLM a few minutes to create it. Looks like things are complete. Let's open it up and take a look.
All right, welcome to the explainer. Today we are tackling a big one, the stock market. But forget everything you think you know, because we're turning this whole thing into a game. Yep, we're going to frame the stock market as a classic 8-bit adventure, just to make all the moving parts super simple and clear. So go ahead, grab your controller. Player 1, let's press start.
Okay, gotta admit, overall not too bad. NotebookLM did incorporate the requested image styles into the video. The terms were accurate for the most part. It seems like it took the prompt instructions quite literally. Not sure if that's good or bad. The overall storyline was good. Sure, some of the elements could have been refined a little bit, but yeah, overall, I'll take it. But there's a more effective way to create an explainer video, and that's by leveraging NotebookLM itself. By that I mean, I'm going to ask NotebookLM to create a new prompt based off the simple prompt I just used. For example, I'll paste in the prompt from the first example, this time giving things a slight twist, asking NotebookLM to write a video prompt that can be used to create the 8-bit video style game. Let's go ahead and generate the prompt to see what NotebookLM gives us. Okay, not too bad, looks pretty good, and it is very descriptive. Giving things a quick scan, you can see that NotebookLM did generate the visual style, along with specific scenes. Yet the only exception is, as of this recording, NotebookLM can't create flashing buttons, sound effects, moving images, but for today, this will work. Again, let's go up here and click on the pencil icon on the video button. Next, we'll click on Custom. In the field asking us to describe the visual style, we can paste in the first segment of the prompt NotebookLM created. And in the section labeled, What should the AI host focus on? Let's go ahead and paste in the main body from the prompt. Go ahead and generate that. All right, it's complete. Let's go ahead and check things out. How about we watch the first minute or so just to get a feel for things?
All right, player, welcome. Ready to take on the stock market? I know, it can seem like this unbeatable final boss, right? But what if I told you it's really just a video game, one with levels, rules, and a clear path to victory?
Okay, so our first level, our first quest, takes us to a place called the primary market. Now, this is where shares are literally born. Think of it as the magic that lets a tiny little startup shop grow into a massive skyscraper.
So what exactly is this primary market? Well, you can think of it as the origin level. It's the very first place where a private company sells its shares to the public. And why do they do this? To get the cash, the funds they need to expand and grow.
All right, so now these shares actually exist in the world. So where do we go next? We enter level 2, a huge, busy arcade called the secondary market. You've probably heard of the big names here, like the NYSE and NASDAQ. Trust me, this is where all the action really happens.
Okay, so it's absolutely crucial you get the difference between these 2 levels.
Okay, not too bad. You can see that NotebookLM did use the graphic style from the prompt, approach things from a somewhat first-person perspective, so overall, it'll work. Just to give you some inspiration, here are some other video styles that you can experiment with, and I'll list them below as well. Now, if you want to learn more about NotebookLM and how to get better than 80% of the people currently using it, watch this video.